Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Month of Ramadan is about to begin, inshallah. Let's make yummy besan pakora today. To make pakora, here I have besan 1.5 cup, mint and cilantro leaves 1 cup chopped, spinach half cup chopped, onion 1 small size cut and sliced, potato 1 small size cut in strips like fries, like this. Coriander whole 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cumin seed 1 teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, ajwain half teaspoon, red chili powder half teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, baking soda half teaspoon, cayenne pepper half teaspoon, and water half cup. So let's start mixing pakora mixer with bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Add everything in the bowl. Alhamdulillah, pakora mixture is ready. Let's take it rest for 3 minutes at room temperature. Then I will fry them on medium flame for 5 minutes on each side, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Everyone's favorite and yummy pakoras are ready. Save this recipe for Ramadan, inshallah. Please give me a comment. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. My food can follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.